Welcome to Solver Fee.
First, drawing the free body diagram of the given crate. So, drawing the free body diagram of the crate that is given in the question very carefully and showing all the forces that are acting on this crate. And after that, we will write more equations and solve this problem. So here this distance is x and this is p at a distance of 1.6 meter. Here it is fc and here it is nc. Here it is w. Now going further, we will write the P is equal to applied force, NC is equal to normal reaction, FC is equal to frictional force, and W is equal to weight of crate. Now, sum of forces along horizontal direction can be calculated. So, we will calculate the sum of forces that are acting on the horizontal direction. So, summation of fx is equal to 0 or p is equal to fc is equal to mu nc. Putting the value of mu here, we will get a relation between p and nc as p is equal to 0.2 nc. Let it be equation 1. Similarly, summation of fy is equal to 0 or we can write nc minus w is equal to 0. On going further, we will write nc is equal to mg. So, putting the value of m and g here, we will get the value of nc is equal to 1471.5 Newton. So, we will now go further, put the value of nc in the equation of p. So we will get the value of p is equal to 294.3 Newton. Now going further and solving the problem, taking moment about point O. So taking the moment about point O, we can write summation of mo is equal to 0 or wx minus p into 1.6 is equal to 0. So mgx minus p into 1.6 is equal to 0. On putting the value of m, g and p here, we will calculate the value of x is equal to 0.32 meter. Now going further, as x is less than 0.6 meter, so crate slips before tipping. Now going further, we will draw the free body diagram of man. So drawing the free body diagram of the man given in the question and showing all the forces acting on this man. So here the forces can be written as, here it is Wm, here it is P, and here it is Fm, and here it is Nm. Now we will write the equations. So sum of forces along vertical direction. So sum of forces along vertical direction, summation of Fy is equal to 0. So Nm minus Wm is equal to 0. So Nm minus Mg is equal to 0. On solving, we will get Nm is equal to 85 into 9.81. So the value of Nm come as 833.85 Newton. Now going further, we will write the value of sum of forces along horizontal direction. So calculating the sum of forces along horizontal direction, we can write Fm minus P is equal to 0 or Fm is equal to P. So putting the value, we get 294.3 Newton. So the value as come as 294.3 Newton. Now maximum frictional force acting between his shoes and floor, F max is equal to mu s dash into nm. So putting the value of mu s dash and nm, we will get the value of F max as 333.54 Newton. So from this we can conclude that F m is less than F max. So the man will not sleep. So man has the ability to move the crate